How to fix Wells Fargo app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Wells Fargo app if it is not working. So sometimes your app will not work due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll talk about the most common reasons and how you can resolve them. So the first thing you can do is basically check your internet connection. As Wells Fargo app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to run and function. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi or a mobile data connection, your app will not work. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now the second thing you can do is basically force close the app and then relaunch it. And doing this in most of the cases will solve the problem. Now if your problem is still there, what you can do is try to see if your app is updated to the latest version or not. Now if it is not updated to the latest version, some of the newer fixes and features will not work, resulting in your app crashing and not working at all. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version. After that, you can basically try to clear the cache data of your Wells Fargo app. Meanwhile, while you're at it, you can also try to restart or reboot your phone and check if the Wells Fargo server status is up or not. Now once you've done all of those and your problem is still there, you can basically try to reinstall the Wells Fargo app and download it once again. Doing so will most definitely fix your problem, but if your problem is still there for some reason, you can basically try to contact the Wells Fargo support team and then talk to them about your issue, and they will be able to resolve it from there. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.